AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming increasing in finance and transportation by automating processing, natural language processing, NLP.
Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, that aims to create machines and software capable of performing tasks that...
Are you tired of spending hours creating AI avatar videos? Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to the future of video production.
We're thrilled to introduce the newly launched revolutionary free AI video generator tool. With this incredible tool, you can transform your ideas into amazing AI avatar videos in a few seconds. But wait, there's more. The tool has new and unique human AI avatars and talking photos avatars that are ready to add a touch of magic to your videos. You can now effortlessly turn photos into talking avatars. And the best part? We're giving away more free credits, but how? So watch the video till the end. You can experience the power of AI video generation without any commitment. Before starting, just give me a few seconds to like this video and subscribe to my channel by hitting the bell icon so don't miss any videos. Part 1, Introduction. Vidnoz AI is a free AI video generator that is used to create videos, avatars, and other visual content. It has a wide range library of 200 plus templates, 50 plus AI avatars and talking photos, and 100 plus realistic AI voices. Vidnoz AI is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including creating educational videos, making marketing videos, generating social media content, and creating training materials. Vidnoz AI is free to use, but there is a premium plan that offers additional features, such as access to more templates and avatars and the ability to export your videos in higher quality. But I will give more free credits, so watch till the end. Part 2, Account Creation. To use the Vidnoz AI tool, you need to go Vidnoz AI website by clicking on the description link. Click on the Create Free AI Video Now button. You can create your account using your Google and Microsoft account, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and by entering your email address. Now we have logged in. Part 3, Generate AI Avatar Video Using Templates. In the Vidnoz AI dashboard, go to the menu bar and click Templates. Here you can see we have different types of templates for landscape and portrait videos. You can also select by categories if needed. Choose your desired templates.
Welcome to this promotion video template. Now create a video.
Okay, here you can see templates, scenes, speech, voice, and all the tools. You can edit your scene, speech, voice, text, background, avatar, and images. So let's understand it step by step. Step 1, Generate speech and script. You need to have your video speech and script to edit your templates and scenes. Go to ChatGPT and enter your prompt. You can also generate your script using Bing AI and Google Bard AI. Okay. Our speech has been generated. Step 2, Edit scenes, text, and background. Here you can see we have 7 scenes in this template. You can edit the scene and delete it if needed, and also you can create new scenes. Now, select the scene that you want to edit. To edit your video background with images, videos, icons, and text, go to Material and enter your keyword. Choose your desired image that wants, or you can also upload your own image and video by clicking here. I will upload a background video of this scene. Select your video, go to the layer option and click Send to Back to add this video in the background. If you see any elements in your scene, you can delete it. Now resize your video. Now edit your text as you want. Add animations by clicking here. You can add your channel logo or icon if needed. Step 3. AI Avatar. You can change your AI avatar and talking photo in any sense. If you want to use your photo to generate an avatar video, then you can upload it here. Click the avatar menu to change your avatar. Here we have different AI human avatar and talking photo. Choose your desired avatar. Step 4. Add speech and voice. Go to ChatGPT, copy the script that you want to add in the first scene, and paste it here. Click here to add your desired voice.
Vidnoz AI. Vidnoz.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea.
If you want to add background music to your video, then click the music menu and add your desired music. Alright? Your first scene is ready. Now click here to preview your first scene.
AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines to perform tasks that typically require.
Let's create more scenes by following as we just told you. Go to the second scene and edit the background and avatar. In this scene, I will choose a talking photo avatar. Then edit text, add animation, and edit more as you want in all the scenes. If you want to add a new scene, then click the plus button, choose your existing template scene as a new scene, and you can choose a blank scene to create your own. And if needed, you can delete your existing scene. Step 5. Download. Once everything is set, click the play button to preview your final video.
AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly prevalent in customer service and daily life. AI is revolutionizing industries such as healthcare. Untitled.
Once satisfied, click the Generate button. You can see Vidnoz started generating your video. Once done, click here to download it. Part 4. Generate AI avatar video using avatars. To generate your video using an AI avatar, go to the menu bar and click Avatar. Choose your desired avatar or talking photo. Go to create a video with this avatar button and select your video dimensions. OK, here you can see blank scenes, speech, voice, and all the tools. You can edit your scene, speech, voice, text, background, avatar, and images. So let's understand it step by step. Step 1. Generate speech and script. You need to have your video speech and script to edit your templates and scenes. Go to ChatGPT and enter your prompt. You can also generate your script using Bing AI and Google Bard AI. OK, our speech has been generated. Step 2. Create scenes, text, and background. You can create as many scenes as you want in your video. To add background with images, videos, icons, and text, go to Material and enter your keyword. Choose your desired image that you want, or you can also upload your own image and video by clicking here. I will upload a background video of this scene. Now resize your video. If you want to add your channel logo or icon elements to your scene, then you can use icons and shapes. Now add text as you want. To add animations in your text, click here. Step 3. AI Avatar. You can change your AI avatar and talking photo in your scene if needed. If you want to use your photo to generate an avatar video, then you can upload it here. Click the avatar menu to change your avatar. Here we have different AI human avatar and talking photo. Choose your desired avatar. Step 4. Add speech and voice. Go to ChatGPT, copy the script that you want to add in the first scene, and paste it here. Click here to add your desired voice.
Vidnoz
AI brings your idea.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high quality.
If you want to add background music to your video, then click the music menu and add your desired music. Alright? Your first scene is ready. Now click here to preview your first scene.
Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, is a transformative field of computer science.
Let's create more scenes by following as we just told you. Click the plus icon to create your new scene. You can create a new scene by choosing a template scene, or you can create a blank scene by clicking here. Also, you can add different AI avatars in each scene. Now, edit the background and avatar. In this scene, I will choose a talking photo avatar. Then edit text, add animation, and create more scenes as you want in your video. Step 5. Download. Once everything is set, click the play button to preview your final video.
Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, is a transformative field of computer.
Once satisfied, click the generate button. You can see that Vidnoz AI started generating your video. Once done, click here to download it. Let's see how to look at both videos. First, generate using templates.
AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly prevalent in customer service and daily life. AI is revolutionizing industries such as healthcare, finance, and transportation by automating processes and making predictions based on vast data sets. Natural language processing, NLP, is a branch of AI that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. AI-driven recommendation systems, like those used by streaming platforms and e-commerce websites, personalize user experiences and drive engagement.
AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence.
Second, generate using an AI avatar.
Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, is a transformative field of computer science that aims to create machines and software capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI systems simulate human cognitive functions like learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. AI encompasses various subfields, including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics.
Hopefully, you liked this AI video tutorial and Vidnoz AI tool. Now, as I told you, I will give free credits. So for this, go to description box and click the link that marks the free credits sign up link and create our account. You will get some free credits. If you loved this AI video tutorial, just give me a few seconds to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to not miss any video updates. Thanks for your support.